Hello guys, welcome back again. This is the second part of the video about absolute value. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve absolute value of inequality. Let's assume we have an example. A. Absolute value of x plus 7 is inferior to 2 and it tells us to solve. Whenever you have absolute value of inequality, the first thing you need to check it is inferior or superior. If it is inferior, just have in mind your final solution will be something like this, a closed interval. Let us assume this is the first answer, a B answer. The solution will be something like this, an empty gap and an empty gap. That's all you need to do for the number line solution. If it was inferior and equal, you just have to fill up the gap, For this problem, it is inferior only, not inferior and equal. This is the solution. This is the type of the solution we will have at the end. For the interval form, you just have to write a parenthesis, A and B. That's all. That's the solution in the interval form. This is the number line solution. Let's solve the problem. The easiest way how to solve this type of problem, just put inferior on both sides, inferior first, and you write the inside of the absolute value. Just write between x plus 7. You put the opposite sign, you put -2. You write the same thing, 2. We're looking for x. The way how to get x, we have to subtract -7 on this side, on that side, on that side to isolate x alone. We will have -2, -7, inferior x, -7, no positive 7, positive 7 and -7, inferior to -7. -2, -7, that's -9, inferior. -7, -7, that will be 0, that we will have x. 2, -7, that will be -5. This is the solution, but you cannot stop just right here. The solution can be written in the interval notation or in a number line. Depend the type of the problem, depend the question they ask you. If they ask you to write the solution in the interval form, your solution will be something like this. It will be just parentheses because it's inferior only. You put 9, -9. You put the second point, -5. This is the solution in the interval form. For the number line, a number line, just have line, put 0. That one, this is 1, 0. This is negative. Let us assume this is -5, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. Let us assume this is -9. Your solution will be something like this. A empty gap because it's inferior only. From right on the top of the solution, you go all the way to the second point, -5 also is the solution. You put a empty gap there because it's inferior only. You don't have to fill up. And this is the solution on the number line, and this is the solution on the interval form. I'm going to do a second example. Let us assume B, absolute value of 3x -5. Absolute value superior and equal to 11. The first thing you need to do is to check it is inferior or superior. As it is superior, just have in mind your solution will be something like this. This is, let us assume this is A, this is B. No, this is A, this is B, whatever, B. Let us assume this is A and this is the point B. Those are the two solutions of the equation. The solution will be something like this. Right, you have to fill up the gap because it's equal now. You fill up the gap to -infinity. Right on the top also, on the second point, you fill up the gap because it's equal to the positive infinity. This is the solution on the number line. On the interval form, it will be something like this: -infinity, A, you close because it's superior and equal. Now superior only, you close, union, you put B to negative infinity. No, to positive infinity, sorry. To positive infinity. This will be the solution. Let's solve the problem. The easiest way how to solve 3x negative 5 superior and equal to negative to 11. Just put 3 right inside of the absolute value 3x negative 5. Just flip the side of the equality. Flip, it will be inferior and equal to negative 11. Change the sign, negative 11. And the second part will be inside of the absolute value 3x negative 5. Write the same thing, superior and equal to 11. Let's do one, solve one by one. 3x negative 5, we're looking for x. Let's isolate first 3x. Add 5 on both sides. 3x negative 5 positive 5 inferior and equal to negative 11 positive 5. 3x negative 5 positive 5, that's 0. We'll have 3x inferior and equal to negative 11 positive 5. That will be negative 6. Divide both sides by 3. You will have x inferior and equal to negative 6 divided by 3. That will be negative 2. That's our solution. X, or the first part, negative 2. Let's solve the second part. 3x negative 5. You do the same thing also. You follow the same step. We're looking for x. Let's isolate 3x first. You add 5 on both sides. 3x, 5, positive 5, negative 5. Superior and equal to 11, positive 5. 3x, this will be 0. Superior and equal to 11, positive 5. That will be 16. You divide both sides by 3. You will have x 16 divided by 3. This is the solution. How can we write the solution? You can write the solution in two ways: in the interval form, or on a number line, depending on the question. If they ask you to write the solution on an interval form, just write like this. On a number line, just write like this. On the interval form, the solution will be negative infinity. And the interval form on this one, the first point negative 2, because it's superior and equal, just close. You put union, you close also. The second point is 16 over 3. You can now simplify. We will have a decimal number. Just write the same thing. 16 over 3 to positive infinity. This is the solution in interval form. On a number line, number, this one 0, negative, let us assume this is negative 2. This is 16 over 3. It will be something like this also. Just close, fill up the gap, because it's superior and equal, fill up to negative infinity. Sorry guys, negative infinity. Right here also, you fill up the gap to positive infinity. And those two are the solution. And that's all guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you like my video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comment that I can improve myself and improve my videos also, please drop some comment on the comment down below, and I will be happy to review them later on. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.